Okay, to unclog the drain, what you're gonna need is a bag. Put the nasty hair in it. Screwdriver. Unscrew the cover. And this tool right here is the best thing I've seen to unclog a dirty rag. Unscrew that. Stick this in there, turn, and pull the hair out. That's how much hair came out of there. Gross. What I like to do, run the water. One last pass through. Now this thing here also gets full of hair. You just gotta keep pulling the hair out, cleaning it, get it looking back like that. They should have made these with removable throwaway heads and just keep replacing them. Other than that, this thing works great. This came from Home Depot, like 10 bucks. You get another stick you can add to it to extend it. And that's it. And then put this back. And you're done.